Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is gonna be pretty much if I mostly decided to make this video for the LGBT community because I've been getting a lot of clients and a lot of requests, asking me to help them, during this part of their transition. But I want to, point this out that this video is not only for the LGBT community. This video is also if, for example, you got if you're straight, I guess, and you got married and you changed your last name, or for example, you came from a third world country and your name is very difficult to pronounce here in the United States, and you ended up changing your first name, whether your first name or your last name. This video is going to be also for you guys. The steps and pretty much the procedure and the strategy that I use is going to be the same whether you're in the LGBT community or whether you're straight or whatever. This video is for you guys, so just stay tuned. I'm going to take you guys to my laptop and explain exactly what it is that you need to do in order to change your information with the credit bureaus. That way, for the LGBT community, you're not stuck in this awkward situation where most of my clients come to me and tell me like they're tired and sick of their birth name or their old name being popped up, and they're having to explain their situation to like a random stranger, which in my opinion, I agree with you guys. You guys shouldn't have to explain anything. You shouldn't. Okay. So in this video, and also I refused. For the LGBT community, I refuse to charge you guys for any of my services. Well, when it comes to like simple things like this, because you guys have had a difficult road ahead of you, and I want to make at least this process easier for you guys. So if you need any help with this, please feel free to contact me during Instagram. That's usually the fastest way to contact me is DM me on Instagram, or try to find me in any social media platform, or actually put your comments down in the description, and I'll make sure to try to answer each and every one of you guys' question. And yeah, this process is pretty easy, guys. I encourage you guys to do it. Like I said, if you need help, please feel free to contact me. I'm gonna explain to you guys what exactly that you need. I'm also gonna provide a free template for you guys, the one that I use for my clients. That, like I said, I'm not going to charge you guys for this. I do charge, but for you guys, I'm not going to charge. I'm actually going to provide this free template for free. If you guys want it, you guys just have to reach out to me so I can email it to you guys. So let's get to my laptop, guys. Alright, guys. So, like I said before, this video is going to be how to change your information with the credit bureau. Like I said before, whether you're from the LGBT community or, you're straight and you just change your last name, this is going to be the same steps for you guys to follow. So this method is for anybody who has changed their first and last name or just got married. Like I said before, this is like the first slide. So here is the information for the 3 credit bureaus that I need you guys to write down, screenshot this, or write down this information. This is their Equifax's address, Experience address, and TransUnion address. So step 1 is that you actually need to have a California driver's license or a passport with the updated name. Okay, so you can't do this unless you already updated your information with the Social Security. You have a Social Security or the DMV. So, like I said, let me recap. Your Social Security card has to be updated with your new name, whether it's your first name or last name or whatever. And also your California government ID. So whether it's the DMV ID or your passport, it needs to be updated. So before you do anything, those are the first 2 steps that need to be done. And it's pretty easy, guys. So all you need to do is write them a letter explaining them your situation. You don't need to necessarily go into detail. You just need to say, hey, it's very simple. I changed my name due to being married or for transgender reasons. That's all you have to write. You don't have to go into debt and explain your whole life story or your situation. Just write them a letter and asking them that you would like your own name deleted and updated with new information. Like I said before, I don't know why I put gibberish down here. I have a template for you guys, which is a more structured template where it's actually, I believe I included a credit law where they have to do it. If you guys are interested, like I said before, please reach out to me and I'll give you that free template. Why did I put this gibberish here? Sorry, guys. So yeah, if you guys don't want to reach out to me and just want to do it on your own, feel free. Like I said before, just write them a letter explaining your situation and asking that you would like your own name deleted and updated with your new information. You have to send them a colored copy of your new ID and your Social Security card along with this letter, and you're gonna have to mail it out 3 separate letters, 1 per credit bureau. So 1 for Equifax, 1 for Experian, and 1 for TransUnion, guys. So they have about, by law, they have 30 days to get back to you. And pretty much they will get back to you guys. And pretty much they'll get back to you with a letter saying, hey, we received your request. We have updated your information. In some cases, and just some, very rare, they might ask for extra information, like a better picture, because the one that you sent out was a little blurry or wasn't, wasn't okay, wasn't like a good copy. So pretty much they might ask you for something simple like that. And they'll get back to you within 30 days. By law, they have 30 days to get back to you. Hey guys, so I hope this video was helpful, guys. I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in this subject, I'm going to be making a lot of videos on how to fix, build, and increase your credit score, and also tips and tricks about the credit world. If you'd like to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If this video helps you out, or if you try this method, put it down in the comments and let me know if this helps. I hope this helps many of you guys, as I've been seeing this be an issue for many of you guys. So I hope you guys take care. I hope, like I said before, I hope this helps. And thank you guys again for watching. I hope this video earns your thumbs up. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, or if you want to reach out to me through Instagram, all the links are going to be down in the description. So take care, guys.